Hello there friends, once again welcome back to Tejas Dubey YouTube channel guys. We are back with another video and this time we're going to talk about Mega Raids, Mega Evolution, Mega Quest. Oh my, it's will going to be coming in Pokemon Go 0.185.0 version of Pokemon Go. Okay, so what will be new in this version as follows. So we're going to talk about this news which was uploaded by a site called GoHub. Pokemon GoHub is a famous site. You can follow them on Twitter and the article link in the description below, so kindly check it out for more information. So let's get started. So first of all, any further information I will give you by this article, I will give you the disclaimer as follows. Please be aware, data miners have publicly reported everything in this article. The data miner has reported everything publicly. Okay, data miners is Pokeminers, the site called Pokeminers. Their link are also in the description below, so you guys can have to check it out. Okay, this information is not affiliated or not provided by Niantic. Okay, this is a metadata and reported data miners have seen that these features or changes will come to in Pokemon Go next update. Okay, so it's just a report. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we're going to skip this information, and this in the met coding that of data miners, there will be a badge underscore total mega badges. Okay, mega badges are coming. Okay, there will be two new badges coming, one for the total number of mega evolution done and another for the number of unique mega evolution done. So these are the achievements in the Pokemon Go in game. You will able to see the similar like to Ace Trainer, Battle Harden. Okay, now this will be a badge coming which is total mega evos and unique mega evos. Okay, next thing is a mega quest mega evolve Pokemon. Okay, so by reading his name, you guys have understand that what it should become. It will be a mega quest. Okay, mega quest which you will complete the quest by evolving Pokemon and you'll get a mega evolution Pokemon you unlock, etc. Mega time text. Okay, it appears that mega evolution will be temporary and will eventually revert back to their regular forms. This is for displaying how much time you have left before they evolve. Okay, so it will be a time limited update. Okay, in this time you will going to encounter a mega. Okay, next it is mega boost, mega same type boost. These are the codes. Mega will be boosted. However, this entry suggests that the boost that megas get might not be based on stats but a static multiplier of their existing stats. So might be it will be a weather boost or something else. Mega display is like a display that it look like a fancy screen or special titles, a background, CP color and something changes. Okay, CP will going to be see as a different color and special title you will get. Okay, then background then in this meta as you are seeing mega background, Pokédex background, normal Pokédex background. These are the backgrounds. So you guys also all have clear by seeing the code are similar as for a normal people to be understand that background color and background will going to be change. Okay, mega energy is like the Pokemon which we are going to evolve. It will have a different type of energy in separate to comparison with the regular ones. Okay, now we're going to go in mega music. As you guys all know, raid battle music will going to change in the mega raid, and mega raid battle lobby music will be we are waiting for 120 seconds at lobby in the gym for to raid to be start. That music that called lobby music is going to be changed. Okay, now raid level mega raid level will be appear from level 1 to level 5. Okay, mega raid icon. So this is the mega raid icon. Journal icon will be look like this. Okay, and regular icon will be look like this. Okay, these are the rewards is like base bonus bro, main state key, speed bonus, speed text. You'll have to pause the screen and see all the rewards. Okay, and rewarding mega candy will also you will get a mega candy. Okay, so what is rewarding mega candy? Mega candy is something be like a replacement name as a distribution like rare candies. Okay, similar to like rare candies, but in mega candy it will be help you to evolve mega Pokemons. Okay, like a shared item slot like rare candies SC. These are the image. Okay, and evolution are temporary. Okay, all the evolution are temporary for limited time, so it will be a bad, and this mega evolution will be revert on their regular evolution. Okay, as separation for made for X and Y version. I know these are not permanent, it will be a temporary evolution. Mega evolution cost. Okay, show mega spend evolve cost. As you see in the it is seen in the coding that show mega spend evolve cost, add on mega evolution, remove on mega evolution. So there is no indication what the cost to mega evolution will be, but it's safe to say that the previously mentioned mega candies will be involved. Mega evolution animation. This is the animation coding. Mega de-evolution animation. So it will be back, as I show you guys, it will be back to its original form after some time. And special quest. These are the special quest. New character special quest. Badge event. Custom forms. Is form custom to go. There is a most likely related to the integration with Pokemon Home, and it's probably a flag to prevent trainer from shipping Pokemon with special Pogo only costumes to be sent to Pokemon Home. Sorry Pikachu. Okay, so as you guys know. Searching. Okay, Pokemon in search icon will see such as search. Okay, then we'll be able to search or filter the item color, text color. Okay, we'll have a feature to search the mega evolution. Okay, map will be going to be update. Okay, map provider is set map provider, and map want roads. Okay, roads, features, builder factory, all things going to be changed. Map display is like map atlas, satellite traffic, GIF atlas. This is AR update, as you guys see. This is sticker update, PvP update. PvP will going to be changed. All the codings, metadata are there. Friend update. Okay, in this friend update you will soon get to swipe through a friend list rather than exiting out of each friend screen. Okay, and Niantic social. Goodbye creepy. Niantic friend distance away under 0 km away. This has been removed probably for the best. It was never turned on anyway. Add feedback. Okay, so this is the hype of mega revolution, mega candies, mega reds. Okay, so I guess you guys understand from this video. For more information, you guys have the article link in the description below, so kindly check it out. Okay, I will give you the update as soon as they will be arrived live on Pokemon Go. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and support me to getting 1000 subscribers soon. So thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching. We'll meet you guys in the next one. Bye.